The next thing you are going to be looking out for now is that particular gospel cut, is that particular keyword section we left. So the keyword section now is like an area where the way our channel like is like a section that carries the specific ranking words that will help our channel get easily discovered by people. So we'll make research here, or we'll come back to ChatGPT. Let me see something if it's gonna help us. I've not tried this before. There's a strategy I wanted to show you before, but I'll be showing you here now. Let me just try it directly with us if it's gonna work. Give me a list of the top 5 gospel bloggers in my niche. Like I mean to like say, give me the link to their channel. Let's see something. So now we're gonna be checking something. Perfect. So now this is Joseph Prince, powerful gospel teaching, grace focus. Let me try something. Okay. This guy actually uses his face to do the stuff. So he's actually a gospel blogger. Yes. But these are not what I want. So I actually mean you should give me channels that post edited clips of other ministers, like AB Ministries, like Joshua Selman, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, Michael Orokpe. All those are the channels I needed. So let's tell it back again, and then let's see this one, Apostolic Voice TV. Let me check. Remnant Breed. These are channels. Let me check what these ones actually do. Perfect. So this channel actually have 10.2k subscribers, and their views are actually low. We can't really copy these guys. Yes, their views are low. 2 weeks somebody has 77 views, in 2 weeks 74 views, in 1 month 119 views, 1 month ago 4. No, the channel is too small for us to copy. What we need is a successful person that has already started chopping big figures online. Let's replicate the process. That is what we want to do. This person has 1.53k. Obviously we can't work with this person, so you will just have to take your time and look for channels that are bigger. There are channels that in the moment they post, they will collect better views like this. This one has only 400 and something views, but it's not still bad. Let me use these channels to show you what I wanted to do with those big channels. So when you find them, you can just see them. All you have to do is to copy the channel link. You can see Remnant Bridge. Just click on it, and then you will see copy link, and then move to your browser. This step is actually something you should calm down and watch. Don't be in a hurry to leave. Pay this sacrifice time now and catch up in knowledge that will help you. It's the best. So guys, you move over to Tune Pocket. Just search for Tune Pocket online. Or probably I'll be dropping a link in the description. Yes, because some of you might get confused of this area. I will drop a link in the description. You go there, click on it to direct you to either my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp channel. That is where we drop the link. If you're already in my Telegram or WhatsApp channel, easy for you. Just go there, and then you will see a link that will direct you to this particular website. Now it will be the best so that you won't be confused. Just follow that link, but don't forget to subscribe or follow my YouTube channel or my Telegram channel. So now the next thing we will be doing is that we'll paste the link we copied in this particular location here. You can see where my cursor is, and then we'll click paste. So we'll click I'm not a robot. Let's find something. Okay, motorcycle. Let's actually do this, and then we'll click verify. So traffic light, verify, perfect. And then we'll click review keyword. Let's see if this channel has keyword. And you can see the channel keywords that this person is using. You can see it: Apostle Siena, Nigerian Church. You can see all the keywords this person is using, guys. So this keyword is what we copy, and if you look carefully, you will discover that this first one here, remnant breed, is the one that the channel name is. Yes, so you can actually replicate this same process now by doing what? Putting your own name there. Since our own is a gospel cuts, you will not use remnant breed, you will use gospel cuts as the first keyword. But obviously, you see they are posting videos of Apostle Siena, they are posting videos of you know how this thing, so you just click on it. Not to click, I deleted it, sorry, but take note of my mistake. Don't go and make the same mistake again. So you just click copy to clipboard. So this links now has been copied to clipboard already. This links has been copied to clipboard, and then we move over direct to this thing, the channel on Google. Okay, it's still on Google here. Let's look for that channel. Perfect. So we'll come back here now to that settings section. Sorry, not there. Look at the settings down here. I told you it was down here. See it here. That is where I got it. So we'll come back to channel, and then we'll come back to this keyword section. And so now we'll not say Gospel Cuts TV, comma, and then we'll not paste the other ones. You do them one by one. You get, the moment you click this one, you copy all these other ones, then copy all the other ones out. If you just click cut, bam, just paste it one by one. I don't have time for this, please, sorry. Then moment you paste it gradually one by one, you click save. So if you are clicking save, automatically this channel is ready. So you can now start going back to edit your content. Now below this video, for those that will be going into the gospel blog, I'll be dropping a list of channels that the direct links of most big channels, like the channel of the direct channel of Apostle Joshua Selman, Encounter Jesus, which is Apostle Michael Orokpo. I'll be dropping their links detailed in down below this particular video now. So just go directly there and then use the link to this particular. I'll be dropping the link to this stuff on Telegram. Check the description, you will find access to it. Guys, just do it and automatically your channel is ready. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help you on that. It's my responsibility. And if you are inside the main community, the DLC HK, obviously you have any challenge, just come there, drop a screenshot. Obviously we will help. So congratulations, it's your boy Coach Favor. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a way of telling me thank you and do more. Coach Favor cares.